Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she freeze. Photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos.
What's up everybody, my name is Tristan Padron, welcome back. So how this class is gonna work is we're going to learn a short combo, then we're gonna do it to different tempo music, going from slow to fast. We're going to be learning the combo for the first 8 minutes and then doing it to music for 7 minutes, adding up to 15 minutes. Oh! But before you start doing the dance, guys, please make sure you warm up and stretch, have some water next to you, and stay hydrated. And without further ado, we're going to get right into the learning process starting now. And yes, cool. So I'm gonna take a lot of moves from what I see on TikTok. I watch TikTok here and there, and I see a lot of these moves in there. So this is actually kind of like from the Renegade. It's very Renegade inspired, just this first combo right here. You're gonna start by stepping with, well, I don't know if you step. I'm kind of messing this up. So for now, just step and punch out, yeah? So you're gonna punch out, same arm, same leg, yeah? Then you're gonna snap going forward. You're gonna lean forward, then to your right. And then me personally, I like to, rather than doing this, I like to run with it with my hands and kind of just like pump my leg once, yeah? So that's probably gonna be the most complicated thing that we're gonna learn today, so don't worry about it. From the top, this is 1, 2, yeah? You can really like put yourself into that. You can use your shoulder and yank that thing, you know what I'm saying? And then you're gonna snap out on 3. 1, 2, 3, yeah? So again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You bring it back. Then you go 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah? And just go, wah, da, da, yeah? So 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, yeah, cool. Again, top of that, and then we'll move on. So, and if you ever have any trouble learning these moves, just feel free to rewind it, try it again until you get used to it, you know, before we're doing music. But the music's pretty slow when we do it, so I think we're good. So right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, forward, and 7, 8. Yes, we're going to slide this leg out, yeah, and bring it back in, yeah. And what I do is, this is kind of important, a key thing. I pivot out, I'm on the ball of my foot right here. Pivot out, and then I pivot on my heel when I come back, so that I'm like slowly moving this way. It looks like this, yeah? I don't really have a name for this move, but I'm gonna just say slide. So you slide your left out first, left, and then you're pivoting, right? And you bring it back, and slide, and back. And you switch sides. You go slide, back, exactly. I'll try that slower. So 5, 6, from the slide, 1, 2, 3, switch, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, switch, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool, got that? If you don't, it's okay. We'll keep doing it. So, moving on. So 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so we're gonna do like an old school hip hop groove now. You're just gonna go forward and snap out. Yeah, this is very old school. So forward and snap out, yeah. I do lift this foot up, yeah, my left, and I'm snapping with my right up here, and you can snap down here. You can switch it up if you want to. You can like you can throw with it, whatever you want to do, you know. So add your own little flair if you want to. Forward and snap. We're gonna go knee up and knee up. You know, this whole old school move, right? So forward and snap and pump right here. Yeah, with the knee. So this leg does come up first since we are out here. It's just easiest to go here. Yeah. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna tap this once because we're gonna step with this foot again. Yeah. And I'll go from the top of that, from old school groove right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna say old school for now. Old school, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, pump, 5, 6, 7. And then we tap just once with this leg. Then we're gonna get into some footwork right here. So last 8 counts. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. You're gonna tap this and then you're gonna step again. With the left, right, tap that foot, bring it back, and then you go right, left, tap, bring it back, and then we start over. Yeah, so that's why we do step in the beginning. Aha, I knew there was a reason why. Yes, thank you. So swing out, ta, ha, ha. Swing out and snap and yeah, and slide, right? That's the whole thing. Pump, hey, footwork. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's what it looks like, okay? Now do it together with me from the top, nice and slow. We got enough time here. So again, renegade, 5, 6, 7, renegade, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna go slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch, 5, 6, 7, old school, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, footwork, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can add your own flair, right? 7, and then top again, renegade, 2, 3, 4, forward, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, right, we're sliding, 5, 6, 7, old school. This is 1, 2, 3, and knee footwork, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, from the top again, 1, 2, 3, 4, forward, 5, and run, right, 7, 8, this is 1, 2, 3, switch, 5, 6, 7, and forward, old school, 2, 3, and knee, 5, 6, 7, and footwork, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, good, cool. When you do all this stuff, please feel free to add your own little flair to it, right? And footwork and pie, yeah. Yeah, let's do it again. We still have 1 minute. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, run, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, switch, 5, 6, 7, and chest forward. 1, 2, 3, oh yeah, 6, 7, footwork, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try it again, faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slide. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 5, 6, 7, chest forward. 1, 2, 3, and old school, right? Footwork, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's it. Yes. Cool. Yeah, if you feel like you don't have it down yet, feel free to go back. We're going to be doing it with slow music anyway, so it's actually going to be pretty slow. And we're going to work our way up. But yeah, also feel free to change things if you need to. Like if this hurts your shoulder, then go small. And then whoop, right? Anyways, guys, that is all the moves. Feel free to go back if you need to. And if you are thirsty, please get a water break, yes, and we're gonna get right into it. Good job. All right, guys, we're going to get right into it. Let's go, move with me when I move, okay? Keep that heart rate going. Let's go, let's go. Renegade first, all right? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and whoop. Slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Old school now. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Footwork, go. 1, 2, 3. Hey, 5, 6. And renegade. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6. Let's go. Slide out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Old school now. We're going from new school to old school. Oh, okay. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Cool. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. Top rock with me, all right? Switch it up. Cool. Let's go. And da da da. Let's go. Renegade. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Starting off slow, right? Go slide and slide. If this is too easy for you, add some stuff. 1, 2, 5, 6, and right? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Renegade still. 6, 7. Slide out. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 5, 6, 7. Old school. 5, 6, 7. Good. Keep it going. Come on. Come on. All right, everybody follow me, okay? Let's go out. Right here. Keep it here. As your arms go. Let's go. 5, 6, from the top, Brenna. 5, 6, and run, right? Old school. Forward. 5, 6, from the top, go. 5, 6, from the top, go. You can go slow if you want, old school. Or you can add a lot of power to it, yeah? Try power, 6, 100%, go. 5, 6, again. This is old school. 4, 5, 6. We're going, all right? Keep going. Bounce with me. Bounce with me, all right?
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 stick, you can get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel
Let's go.
like 550 on the 5 stick, you can get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate apply my elimination.
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding dotted line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. And my zodiac probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win in my. I'm feeling great. Got a day with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a fuck what you ever. You been a
keep going. Let's go.
It can't be. It won't be. Wanna see me fall? I can't go. I won't leave. from the block with plain clothes.
One more time.
Police straight up to the top with bankrolls.
With the song, hey.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 and a 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
Cool.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 and a 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
Groove with me.
That's a bet,
Groove with me.
right?
Don't stop. All right, we got one more song, okay? One more song. I really want to see you push it, okay? You got this. I'm right here with you. We're gonna do this together, okay? 5, 6.
Nowadays, nothing really is nice. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she ice. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos. Hit the door and the doorman just hold
You got it, let's go.
I need some. Still young, but I move like a new deal to my lawyer.
And check.
If it down in my management, I'm just warming up, but wait till I. Old producers saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light. Chalk it up, talk of the time when you're talking up. Wanna get you a ring and you tough enough. Wanna get you new things when your pockets dug.
You got
Run
it.
it up.
Cool.
I used to be quiet and out of luck. Now I move up and move humble cause the hate and the jealousy. My mama telling me count up your blessings and run it up. Nowadays nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell them it's ice. I got wife.
Good job, everybody. Good job. Killed it. I saw you right there and right there. Unless you're just one person, then just right there. Yeah, good job. Hey, come here.
Want me to come here?
Yeah, come in. Great job, bro, great job. That's what I'm talking about. You did it, bro, you did it. Good job. This is my roommate.
Oh, we did it.
Yeah, we did. Anyways, guys, good job. Good hustle. That's what I like to see. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please record yourself and tag me on Instagram at BeGoodTristan. Thank you for stopping by again. I hope you guys enjoyed this combo. Please check out my other combos in my channel. There's gonna be more coming out. So yeah, thank you for stopping by again. I love you. And peace out. Have a good one. Keep growing, keep doing your thing, and I will see you next time, bro. Bye. Woo.